Welcome to Mbadaq TV, Explorers. Globe showing Europe Africa today, we take you on an unforgettable journey to the heart of the Caribbean, Curaçao Island. From its deep-rooted history and colourful culture to its warm people, vibrant cities, and legendary hospitality, Curaçao is more than a destination, it's a living story. Let's explore Curaçao together. History of Curaçao Island. Curaçao's history stretches back over 6,000 years, long before Europeans arrived. The island was first inhabited by the Arawak Indians, specifically the Curaçao people, who lived by fishing, farming, and trading across the Caribbean. In 1499, Spanish explorer Alonso de Ojeda arrived and claimed the island for Spain. However, due to limited fresh water, Spain showed little interest in developing it. Everything changed in 1634, when the Dutch captured Curaçao and turned it into a major trading hub. The island became a key center in the transatlantic slave trade, shaping much of its cultural identity. In 2010, Curaçao became a self-governing country within the Kingdom of the Netherlands, giving it political autonomy while maintaining Dutch ties. Today, Curaçao's history lives on through its architecture, languages, traditions, and people. Culture of Curaçao. Curaçao's culture is a beautiful fusion of African, European, Latin American, and Caribbean influences. One of the strongest cultural symbols is language. The island's native language is Papiamentu, a Creole language blending African, Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, and English roots. Most locals speak 4 languages or more, including Dutch, English, and Spanish. Music and dance are at the heart of Curaçaoan culture. Tumba and tambu reflect African heritage. Salsa, reggae, and jazz are widely celebrated. The annual Curaçao Carnival is one of the biggest cultural events filled with color, rhythm, and pride. Food also tells the island's story, a mix of African spices, Caribbean flavors, and European techniques. Lifestyle in Curaçao. Life in Curaçao moves at a relaxed Caribbean pace. Locals believe in balance, working hard but also enjoying life. Family, community, and social connection are deeply valued. People gather at beaches, neighborhood cafes, and festivals to share stories, music, and food. Despite the laid-back atmosphere, Curaçao is modern, with strong education, healthcare, and business sectors, especially tourism and international trade. Hospitality of Curaçao is famous for its warm hospitality. Visitors are not treated as strangers, they're treated as family. Curaçaoans are known for being friendly, respectful, proud of their heritage. Happy to share their culture. Whether you in a hotel, local restaurant, or street market, you'll feel genuinely welcomed. The people of Curaçao. People of Curaçao represent a rich multicultural society. African descendants form the majority, but the population also includes European, Latin American, Asian, and Middle Eastern roots. This diversity has created a society that is tolerant, inclusive, deeply connected to history. Forward-looking. Religion, music, art, and storytelling all play important roles in daily life. Cities of Curaçao. The capital city Willemstad is the soul of Curaçao and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is divided into historic districts. Punda, known for colourful Dutch colonial buildings and shopping streets. Otrabanda, rich in local life murals and culture. Payatamai, trendy nightlife restaurants. And historic mansions. Charlou, a former elite neighbourhood now famous for street art. The iconic Queen Emma Bridge, a floating pedestrian bridge, connects Punda and Otrabanda and is one of the island's most famous landmarks. Other important areas. Janthiel, a modern beachside area popular with tourists. Westpunt, known for nature diving spots. And peaceful living. Santa Rosa and Baba, traditional neighbourhoods with strong local culture. Each area shows a different side of Curaçao's identity. Curaçao Madascuracao is more than beaches and sunshine. It is a living classroom of history, resilience, culture, and unity. It teaches us how different worlds can come together to create something beautiful. SNG Explorers, this is Curaçao, a place where history speaks, culture dances, and people welcome you with open hearts. If you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe to Mbadaq TV for more cultural explorations around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep traveling with Mbadaq TV. Globe showing Europe Africa airplane #.